Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Look here, we just started this car and the RPM is over 1000 and it's keep going down. What happened is the throttle body was replaced. So let's see now, we don't have no check engine light, but let's see what you need to do. If any procedure of resetting or after you replace it. Some cars, definitely, when you do this one, you must reset it. If it's not, you're gonna have drivability issue. You have to make the car relearn the throttle body and the drivability behaviors. What happened to my machine? I know I have power on it. Let me turn it off. Oh, I see the power is getting low here. I have another machine. I'm gonna get the other one. I'm gonna put this on to charger. I'm using another one. Okay, he say I need to update the software. I don't want to do that. I will go to diagnose, and then from diagnose I will go to VIN number, auto detect. It takes some time, but Toyota Asian. I don't need this one here. Okay. Diagnose program loading. That's the VIN number. I will say okay. Now it will break down the information. Radar cruise with the smart key. No, without the smart key. You know the smart key means a push button. This one is a regular key. This is regular key. The smart one is push button. Okay. Now let's go. The VIN number is here. 2015. I will say yes. You see now it's coming down, which is good. Some cars, as soon as you put it, it's go down and it never pick up the RPM. So we are in the right direction now. You see, from 10 start by 15 and it's coming down. Right now we have 9, 8, between 9 here is 5, so we are at 7. Not bad. Okay, let's go. They put a brand new throttle body from the dealer. The throttle body costs about $700, $800 almost. No, throttle body is like 3,300 something. Or the core, I'm not sure, but I see now it's going there, but we're gonna check and see if there's any reset diagnose. Control unit, engine, trouble code. If we have any trouble code, we have to clear it. If it's not, no problem. Wow, startability, rough idling, all this code. Rough idling. It's only one code review. It's 2109, 1605, 1604, 1603, 1605, 1604. Throttle, pedal, position sensor, minimum stop. This car have a big trouble before. 1604 is startability problem. So this is what we have. First, we're gonna clear all the codes. Let me turn the key off on. Okay, now I'm gonna clear all the codes. Please, after you change, throttle body position sensor, minimum stop performance, throttle body position. So this code is still there. Let me turn this off. Why we have this code? Why we have this code? Very strange. What you need to do? Escape, special function, reset memory, learning value reset. Okay. Learning value reset. To reset all learn value related to the engine operation, I will say okay. Next. That's done. Okay, I'm gonna reset the memory too. Now we reset it. Maybe that one is a shadow. So let's reset all the stuff. We're gonna go back. Skip this. No, I skip this. So we're gonna go back again. Special trouble code. Yes. Okay. We have throttle pedal position sensor minimum stop performance. P2109. Do you have internet? I don't have internet. If I have internet, I will check and see why. Let me go see if I can get internet. I don't have the number, the part number, so that's not gonna work. So we have this code is still here. I don't know what causing it, but we have P2109. Maybe it's history, maybe it's current. I'm gonna turn the key off, turn it on, clear the codes. Yes, yes. Throttle pedal position sensor minimum stop performance. It could be something wrong somewhere, but the RPM is normal. Anyhow, we're gonna check this code and then see what happened, what the requirement. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic. Please subscribe, share and like.